kabisa. Explaining for you the issue about NHIF. Yes. The CEO is here, I can tell you.
Very well.
Yes.
How you all doing?
We are doing very well.
Hello. Habari ma. Habari yako?
Nzuri sana.
Habari yako?
Salama.
Hai. Mambo? Uko poa? Habari yako? Habari? Mambo? Na wewe unaitwaje? Hello. Two months. How are you? How are you? How are you? You got a smile. Hi. How you doing? Get a smile on our face.